Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing for No Make No Life. This is a Japanese and Korean beauty subscription box. You get 8 to 9 items in here and shipping is free worldwide. So let's take a look at what came in this month's box. This is the July 2019 box, and they give you a little booklet that I think has all the information about the items in the box, so I'm going to set that aside for a moment. And right on top, it looks like there's a little bag, so I'll go ahead and unwrap that. Here's what the bag looks like. Really cute. Zipper pouch. And then it opens up pretty wide as well. Ooh, a foot moisture pack. I could really use one of those. It says it has 1 pair of socks in here. I have really dry feet, so that's awesome. I'm sure there's more about that in the little brochure. We'll get to that in a moment. Oh, looks like almost looks like blotting strips and Band-Aids. Interesting. Choosy gummies. So does it look like lips maybe? And peach flavored? Let's take a look at the brochure. So these are edible gummies that contain collagen, it says, and dietary fiber, calcium, a couple other things to help beautify your lips, it says. Then we have, see SPF on there, the UV Milky Gel. In the brochure it says protect your skin from the harsh UV rays from the sun. This 2-in-1 moisturizer doubles as a sunscreen. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, how cute is that? Yum Yum lip syrup, cherry flavored, and it looks like a little ketchup bottle. I'm gonna open that. So I just put it on, and it's definitely a red lip gloss, as you can see on my hand. Smells really good. It looks like ketchup. That is too funny. Look how thick that is. I like thick lip gloss, but that's like super pigmented, so you probably don't need much of that. And it looks like the boxes came with an option of a few different ones. So on the card you can see there's different shades, and it says you can either get it in cherry, strawberry, or peach. And the last item in the box, pure white milk cream. It says to use this for a radiant, brighter complexion. Apply this cream to your usual skincare for flawless skin. Very cool. And then going back to the previous items here. So these are blotting strips, I was correct, and a bandage. A couple bandages in there. So this you leave on for 15 to 20 minutes, and it leaves your feet really soft. And I did notice from the card there's another item in here. It was pushed up against here, so I didn't see it. This is a Bling Bling eye stick. It's a nice kind of neutral shade. So I'll go ahead and show you the little brochure here so you can see all the information on the products. Show you what they look like, different options for them. So we have the face cream, the lip syrup, which is super fun. That's probably my favorite thing in here. Then we have the Bling Bling eye stick. It says, so it's just an eyeshadow stick. And I like that it's a real pretty shade, like anyone could wear that color. Then we have the foot pack. The blotting papers and the bandages, the pouch, the beauty gummies, and the milky gel. So you get all your information on there, because a lot of the products don't have English on it or have very little English on it, so I love when they give a real thorough booklet like that. So here's some more information about the gummies, and that's what they look like. I'll go ahead and open them actually so you can see those. And a little contest they're having. And some must-have summer items. Very cool. So let's take a look. Well, those are cute. They have a very subtle peach flavor. They actually taste really good. And like I said, that has collagen and all sorts of little benefits in there to help your lips. Very cool. So if you guys would like to subscribe, I will put all their information below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.